Alright, so once you have lifted the glass, make sure to hold it at a 90-degree angle. It should not be more than that, otherwise it will break the connector. And then these two screws, they are needs to be screwed out, and this is the type of Phillips screwdriver that you can use. So it took a little bit of prying to do. The reason for that is that I was not pulling it properly. As you see, that you should use this tab, this one, to pull the battery out. That would have been easier, but I just pulled the battery out with the prying tool, so probably that was the wrong one. Anyway, so this is the phone without the battery. This is the battery from the new, and this is the tab which goes in the battery at the bottom of the battery. So I'm going to put this back in now, set it up like this, and this battery like this out of the cover, and then at the bottom of the battery, so this is how the battery is going to sit, like this. So on the bottom of the battery you have to put this tab back in. Like this, and then put the battery back in. Once you put the battery back in, you have to put the tab, this black tab, back in, and then put the tiny little screw. Alright, so this is a very precise work, so it might take you a while, but the main thing is that you have to use one of those Phillips screwdriver which has a tiny little magnet on the top, and then while keeping this thing at the right